Okay, everyone, welcome to another online lesson. As you all know, at the end of 2019, a new type of virus began making people sick with flu-like symptoms. It was called the coronavirus, or COVID-19 for short. The illness is caused by a virus and was first diagnosed in people who visited a market in China in late 2019. That market sold live seafood and animals. Now, the virus spreads easily and has now affected people in many countries. That's not so good news, but the good news is you can totally be safe by these few simple, easy steps. Step number 1. Wash your hands. Yes, you heard that. Wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands with soap and water. Don't just wash your hands, make sure you wash them properly. Anytime you touch the door handle, any surface, metallic or otherwise, wash your hand. 2. Use a hand sanitizer. Use a hand sanitizer, just find one that fits your skin type and use a hand sanitizer. Step number 3, if necessary, wear a face mask or a hand glove. That way you're sure you won't use your hands to touch your face. Now those things protect you from touching your nose, your mouth or your eyes with your hands. Step number 4, stay away from large gatherings. That's called social distancing. Keep a distance from people. Now we're going to hear a lot of new English words because of this virus, I think. The first one is already out: social distancing. Now if you think you have flu-like symptoms or dry cough or runny nose, step number 5 is isolate. Isolate. Stay away from people. You want to be sure you're not passing it to the next person, especially family. So at that point you need to visit a healthcare center just to be sure you're safe. Well, good news again today. I know most of you are stuck at home and you can do a lot right now. You can go out for maybe the shopping you used to do. I'm going to be showing you simple, super ways that you can make your face mask at home. Yeah, you heard me right. Face mask. In so simple, easy steps, we're going to be making face masks. Now you can make it more creative. I know you all are very creative. So show me videos of how you made your face mask. Add paintings, add your favorite logos, use favorite papers. Just drop your comments below. I would like to see what you made. All right, let's go to class. Thank you.